So here we have a different computer that you can see there running the operating system, and what I've done here is I've taken a different solid state drive and put your cable going to a USB 3 hub, and I'm going to turn on the drive now with your cable allowing access. And it looks like the drive comes up, you can see there, so I press OK. But there's files on there and I can't get to them. It's loading and loading. You can see with the hourglass, but it never actually gets to the files. Now I've done this with my own cable. It's a StarTech cable and it works fine. So it's not the drive that's the problem. It's that the cable is not allowing access. You can see, again, it looks like it's working, but it doesn't work, right? And again, we could sit here for several minutes and it's just not going to happen. So I'm going to cut the video off so it's not too large so I can send it to you.